remaining. Paulo Mendoza, Joseph Yo.
The first time that the lead is in single digits since the first quarter.
And we're in the last 2 minutes. Ito po ang ating Outlast. 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Talk and Text. Naghihiyawan na po itong mga fans ng Talk and Text dito sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum. 85-77 is the count. A minute and 49 to go. Al-Jamal is wide open. Wala.
That could have been big. He had a look that he wanted. Libre. Kitang-kita.
Joseph Yo binababa ang bola para sa Santa Lucia. Binubulabog ni Egay Billones. Arito si Joseph Yo pa rin. To Kenny Williams, Paulo Mendoza, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Paulo Mendoza gets open. No. And the rebound taken in by Jay Washington off to Jimmy Alapag. And Paulo Mendoza stands in his way, gives up the foul and the 2 shots para kay Jimmy Alapag with a minute and 16 to go. And the lead of Santa Lucia drastically chopped down to only 8 points. Ulit-ulitin po natin, umabot po ng 25 yan. In the third quarter, umakyat ng 23 kung di ako nagkakamali, di ba? Yung 25, ang 25 kasi ng second quarter pa. And Jimmy Alapag continuing the Talk and Text woes from the free throw line. 1 of 2 by Jimmy Alapag. Obolon is hemmed in the backcourt. And the loose ball picked up by Joseph Yo. Here's a balon! Laying it in. Medyo mahirap lang. Ang dami pinagdaanan ng Santa Lucia dun sa play na yun. But they got it done somehow. A 2-pointer momentarily giving them a breathing spell. 9-point lead for Santa Lucia with a minute and 8 seconds remaining in the ball game. Nasa fourth quarter na po tayo mga kaibigan. You see here, in the backcourt pa lang, binubulabog na si Bitoy Omolon. Joseph Yo, si Omolon pa rin. Tumapos.
A good job of him of not giving up on the basketball. Akala natin mawawala na yung bola sa kanya. Sa backcourt pa lang, naipasa niya. Tapos siya pa ang naka-layup.
Ito sinasabing he's everywhere. Marlo Aquino tonight, 18 points, 6 rebounds. Doing well with 8 of 13 from the floor. 68 seconds ang nalalabi sa larong ito. At ang lamang ay 9 na puntos para sa Santa Lucia. Here's Jimmy Alapag. Jay Washington. His pass is knocked away.
Good recognition on the part of Santa Lucia. Alam mo na gusto nila tumira ng 3 kaya tinataboy nila yung mga shooters at hinahayaan. Gusto nyo, dumrive kayo.
Yancy Del Campo. Oh, nice getaway. Left-handed layup by Yancy. Oh, hey. Now, I know you pass it in Marlo to Jimmy Alapag and you beat that. Al-Jamal! Ayaw pa rin. Paulo Mendoza for the rebound. Mendoza to Joseph Yo. A stop and go, and number Malone finishes it all. 40 seconds to go. And a 9-point lead by Santa Lucia. And a timeout is called by Derek Peralta of Talk and Text. Jimmy Alapag gets it back, fires again, yes!
Down to 6. That's just 2 possessions.
Yes. The impression hatid sa inyo ni Jimmy Alapag. The foul is given up by Alapag himself to stop the clock. And Paulo Mendoza will trip to the free throw line.
In that lineup, quick out Talk and Text. Isa na siguro si Paulo sa iiwasan mo na patirahin ang free throw.
And there, Paulo Mendoza very calmly sinks the free throw. Bilis tumuro dyan. Parang walang isip-isip eh.
May lakad eh.
Oo. Oo. Nag-aapura. And Paulo Mendoza himself fouls Jimmy Alapag. Well, a couple of times that Jimmy Alapag visited the free throw line in this second half. He made 1 of 2 on both occasions. 29 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Jimmy Alapag makes the first. Yun, 2 of 2 this time for Alapag, and the press is on. Marlo Aquino gets it over to Bitoy Amaral. Kelly Williams is all alone. Oh, showtime! Double highlights run for Kelly Williams. As Stock and Text concentrated on trying to harass the people at the backcourt, he was left alone to his own devices, and he certainly made use of that. Para sa inyo, sabi ni Kelly Williams. Ito yung ating update sa ating game story ng overloaded. Naging overloaded na yung phone pals. No? Kanina loaded sila eh. Pero it seemed loaded with problems in this game. Pagkatapos itong Santa Lucia Realty, nakita na rin nila yung kanilang hinahanap.
But it seemed para sa Talk and Text, they just couldn't find 5 guys that work together at the same time.
Isa-isa lang eh, no?
Paisa-isa lang eh, hindi mapagsabay-sabay. On the other hand naman, Santa Lucia in the first half, miski sinong ilagay nila, lahat naman nakaka-contribute.
100% yun eh. Di ba? Lahat na pinasok ni Coach Boyet Fernandez ay umiscore in the first half. Dito sa second half, meron bang...
Lahat sila
lahat, ano ha?
Lahat. Actually, the 12 players that were fielded in all scored para dito sa Santa Lucia.
Okay. Ano ba hinahanap natin dito? Ako, nakita ko na. Anyway, yun. Well, ito, kumbaga, the last gasp na ito ng Talk and Text, as Al-Jamal fouls Joseph Yeo. At with only 14 seconds to go, Santa Lucia will notch its first win in 3 outings dito po sa ating Philippine Cup.
You know, they've come close a couple of times. Sabi nga ni Coach Derek during the interview that their first 2 games, they were there.
Yeah.
Dun sa 3.5 quarters itong Santa Lucia, but it seemed that the Realtors had no way of finishing it off. Itong pagkakataon na to, the lead that Santa Lucia was able to build, hindi na, kinaya na. At umabot ng huli.
Talagang pinaghirapan na talaga nila na hindi na nila pakawalan yan no? Egay Billones misses and Al-Jamal puts it back in. And Joseph Yeo is fouled again by Al-Jamal. At itong si Joseph Yeo, although he did not score a bundle in this game, has issued 6 assists in this game. So, actually, sabi nga natin, everyone in the team of Santa Lucia contributed tonight to this upset win of sorts. Masasabi natin upset ito eh. Dahil sabi mo nga, Jason, itong Talk and Text was one of those teams that were being looked at the start of the conference to spring some early wins. Si Kelly Williams, hindi pa pala tapos yung story na yun. Tatlong slam dunk na yan si Kelly Williams in this game to punctuate this win